We're going to be showing you how to use the Impax EpiPen Auto-Injector today. It's the new generic version to the Myelins and a lot cheaper. So they operate a little bit differently. If you want to come check this out. So the way we're going to open it is we're going to make sure that we grab two ends of the cap and twist for it to pop out. Then on the inner shell, you'll see that this is the actual pen itself. It has nice clear directions on it on how to use. So first we're going to pull the back cap off. Then we're going to pull the front cap. And you'll see that that big red indicator needle end is exposed. We're going to hold it just like a normal EpiPen. Make sure we keep our thumbs away from both sides just in case. We're going to put the needle tip down and inject it just like a normal one. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to pull it out, and you can notice the needle is still exposed, so we need to make sure we immediately put it back in the case correctly. Needle down, black end goes into the yellow. Click it shut, and we can discard the rest of it. And that's how the Impax Auto-Injector is used.